Take 4. Whoa, hope you're doing good today. Today we're going to take a look at Sailor Boy Pilot Bread. This package I bought a few years ago. This package I just bought. So, put that one up in my storage. We're going to try one of these out, I think. We're going to get into that coming right up. Alright, well, before we get into the pilot bread, I got something to show you. One of my fans sent me a gift. Thank you, Todd. Appreciate it. Let me show you what he's made for me. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? Nice rabbit fur covered holster for guess what? For my little Derringer. Look at that. That fits in there just nice and snug. Isn't that pretty? But not only did he make this one for me, check this out. He made me another one. Look at that. Definitely going to come in handy. Anyway, let's get into this pilot bread. Todd, thank you very much. Definitely appreciated. Alright, well, little history behind pilot bread. Well, maybe not history, but I didn't find out until I started doing a little research for this video. If you go to Alaska, these are big, real big. From what I understand, they're sold even in like your convenience stores. Another person I was watching was telling a story how the bush pilots there all have to carry provisions on board just in case they get stuck or they go down or what have you. And from what I understand, what this person was saying, they all just about carry a box of these on their plane. Anyway, like I said, I bought these ones a few years ago. I just opened them to look and make sure they didn't look bad before I started this video, because I wasn't going to eat one of these if they looked bad. Anyway, there you can see how they come. These are all pretty smashed up. Well, not all of them. A bunch of them are pretty smashed up in their crumbs. Where I keep these, I have an old refrigerator that's not plugged in. It's not used for a refrigerator anymore. I use it for food storage, and I kept these in there. So that's one reason I'm pretty sure there's no bugs in it, because these aren't even vacuum sealed. They're sealed with a twist tie like a loaf of bread. Anyway, without further ado, let's open this up. I'm going to give it the sniff test first. No smell. These are a pretty good sized cracker, so a few of these along with some jerky maybe and maybe a little dried fruit probably be kind of filling. Smells good. Now I got crumbs all over my table. No bad taste. Don't think they're stale. They're crunchy. Well, they're not bad. Like I said, I've had these in my cabinet for, I can't remember exactly, 3 or 4 years. And you know what? Well, I'm not going to put another piece in my mouth because I don't want to talk with food in my mouth. Yeah, so I don't think you can go wrong. They are kind of expensive. I don't remember what I paid for them. I think they run somewhere around $8, $9 a box. But if you could put them up, even just being in a package like this, now I'll vacuum seal these once I I'm off the camera here and take them back into the kitchen and vacuum seal them. You can't go wrong. Now I know there's cans that you can. I know there's cans of biscuits you can buy, or crackers, whatever, from different companies. But if these keep this long, I don't see any reason why not to. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go down, hit that subscribe button, click that little, click that little bell icon. I'm rambling on. I hope I can get this video uploaded. It's been a while since I uploaded a video because my internet's so darn slow. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Please come over and check us out over on MeWe or over on Facebook. We have groups over there on both of them. The MeWe, we post a little bit more because they allow us to. Facebook restricts us, so we don't post quite as much. But anyway, have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. Weather's starting to warm up a little bit for today. I don't know if I'm going to go outside and do anything, but it's supposed to be down below freezing again next week. So, have a great day. Till next time, stay prepared.